This quick start guide will help you get your Rovi camera installed, powered up, and ready to use. Insert a Class 10 micro SD card with up to 64 gigabytes of storage. Micro SD card sold separately. Before removing the red backing tape, determine optimal camera placement. Clean your window and remove backing tape to install the mount. Press firmly for several seconds to assure a solid bond. To adjust camera angle, move the camera either up or down. Plug the power cord into the camera and feed the cord into the headliner, across the top of the windshield, and out of the field of vision. Plug in the 12-volt power adapter. You're now ready to power up and start using your Rovi dash camera. For more detailed instructions, refer to your owner's manual.